Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part 4 of this series on, you just really have to watch the first 3 to more understand. But somebody emailed me and asked me if you could have other text in it. Well, you can, but the text needs to be a curve. So when you write a text, the only text that you can have in here is the actual number. And you see I have a 0 in layer 1, and these are just curves. But if you select it all and then hold down the S and 1, you get this cursor, and look at that. Ticket number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you want. So you could do anything. I mean, as long as you, so I'm going to hit the escape to get out of this, and I will have a link to this blog. I'm trying to write, and the actual. So if we're going to do this, and you're going to have it like that, just go up to object and convert that to a curve, and then get your 0 out, and you might have to play around with it a little bit to get it spaced out where it won't be in the way when it starts going into double digits. And you could always take this and hit B and put it to the bottom and make sure they're square. So if you look, we have 2 objects selected, so we're going to select both of them. I'm going to hit S1, and now I got ticket 3, 4, 5, 6, and you could have any wordage in there. Let's see what it looks like when we get to 10. See, I've got enough space. It's pretty cool because and I did not, particularly in this case, do what I did in the other videos and made the number center justified. That might help in this case to get it maybe closer. Let's just do that. Let's delete all these. And make sure this is center justified. Now let's select them, and I'm going to hit my hotkey, which is S1, which is mine. And there it goes 2. Just trying to get to 10. And see, that way it's equally spaced between the 9, where the 9 was. I mean, this is pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.